What's up, guys? Welcome back to Muscle Mechanics. I know it's been a long time, but we've been very busy with refrigeration work and we haven't had much time to spend here in the shop. But today we're gonna make a cool video for you. We're gonna basically start off with moving these cars out of the shop, and then we're gonna show you a project we've been working on over there in the corner. You're on camera, boy.
We're gonna put the surf racks on Duke right now.
And then
what we're gonna do is we're gonna show you
how to surf.
Oh, we're gonna show you how to surf. Show you the sweet ride that we found outside. So fucking move these cars. Move the cars out and let's get this show on the road.
We're gonna move the Slayer Camaro out.
I can move that.
Andrew, fire it up. 1969 Camaro, turbocharged 5.3, 6-speed transmission. Been to 21 different states, cross country. How did all that horsepower feel?
Oh man, intoxicating.
Next, Duke, we're gonna move him out, and the surfboard rack's gotta go back on. Yeah, just turn the key, don't even touch the throttle. That's how good this car is. That original 265 runs smooth. Next, we got Grease Lightning. We just painted this car. We actually did like a fake patina on it. Don't go too fast, that surfboard's not tied down, boy. Grease Lightning. The rental car. We got the shop mostly cleared out. We got to do some cleaning in here. We made a mess the other day. Got to scrub the floors. Andrew, why don't you tell everybody about your newly purchased vehicle over here?
Well,
what is it?
1963 Ford Fairlane. 200 cubic inch, straight 6 with a 3-speed top loader.
Ooh. Got a lot of power under that hood.
Yep, give you guys a little peek since it is going up for sale. Best part of the car.
This vehicle could be yours, ladies and gentlemen.
Mm-hmm.
Wow. What is that?
When I purchased it, when I purchased it, it was not running. All what it took was a fuel pump, fuel filter, battery, and some fresh tires to get it.
Some elbow grease.
Yeah.
And then you say it runs now, huh?
And it runs, yeah. If you guys want me to start it up.
Yeah. I mean, I don't know. Hey, you're Generation Z, and this has got a carburetor. Those two don't usually mix. Andrew, see what you got.
I'm not just like any other Gen Z.
You're not a normal Gen Z?
No.
Oh, look at that interior.
Yep.
Is that all original?
This is what you want it to be.
Okay. Oh, headliner's good. Carpet's not bad. Driver, pretty okay.
Well, we'll find out right now.
Oh, it's stick shift. Oh.
Damn it.
Okay. I'll stand back.
Well, third time's the charm.
You gotta talk nice to her, man.
Oh, by the way, if you guys want to know the nickname for the car, it's Cochina.
Cochina. She's dirty. Not bad, not bad. Sounds pretty okay to me.
Could be yours, ladies and gentlemen.
Hey. Whoa! Drives itself, look at that.
Hey, brakes. And it brakes. So.
Alright, cool, man. Cool deal. This is Duke, the beach cruiser, and it's pretty slow but very smooth, very comfortable, very quiet automobile, and I take this to the beach a few times a week at least. Now for this car over here, this is another 1956. And it's a sedan, and what I want to do with this is make this the beach Bruiser. So that's Duke the beach cruiser. This will be Hank the beach Bruiser. That built a pretty nasty small block 355 and disguised it to look like it's really old, and there's some aluminum parts underneath all that patina, but that's just fake patina. So we're gonna try to fool some people out on the street. Transmission that I'm going to use, it's a Muncie 4-speed, and it's got this old school two-piece scatter shield. Now I'm not too sure why they used a two-piece scatter shield, but I'm assuming it was to be able to access the clutch, or I don't know why they would use a two-piece scatter shield, but if somebody knows, let us know in the comments. I'm going to be using a lot of vintage speed parts on this car to keep it authentic. I want it to look like this car was pulled out of a barn and was maybe raced by a kid in like the early 60s. We're going to keep all the patina on it. I got these flat white headers that we painted with, what is that painted that we used? Cerakote. We used Cerakote. It's supposed to be really durable. We're going with a flat white. This was kind of a thing they did on the gassers, and the idea was that it made some more horsepower, so they claimed, but it turns out it really didn't. But it's still a cool look, and that's what we're going to put on. They're supposed to be for this car, so let's find out. We built some motor mounts for it the other day, as you can see. And I didn't paint those because I kind of want them to get rusty, so they'll match the rest of the engine bay here. This car is in really great shape, actually. There's only a couple rust spots, but it's very, very straight. There's only a couple dents. I'll show you one of them right here, and you can barely see it, like right there. But other than that, there's no dents on this car. Original paint, straight from 1956. Here's the interior. Boom, all original door panels. And we're gonna keep this on the cheap, and we're gonna leave most of this interior like this. I'll reupholster this front seat, put a carpet kit in it. Probably gonna leave the back seat out just for weight reduction. We might even make a roll cage, like a cage that maybe a teenager would have put in the early 60s, welded it in himself. We're gonna make it look old. The 4-speed is gonna really be cool. I got a vintage shifter ball, like some of the gassers and stuff had flakes like that. That's pretty cool. I got an old school tack that somebody gave to me. I'm gonna throw that in there, and can't wait. All the weight's off of it?
Yeah.
Okay, cool. Well, let's get those headers in here and see if they fit. That's that side, driver's side. They're definitely not going in from the top, so we're gonna have to go through the bottom.
All right.
Shouldn't have ate the hamburger. I don't know.
All that paint for nothing?
It better fit.
What? Oh boy.
How's it looking?
Okay, we're looking Okay.
I can't see. What is it? What do we need to do?
Here we go. Go up to the left. There you go. Go up on the back side. Just a little bit.
I think this. Oh shit. They're on?
They're on.
Really?
Oh boy. Okay. Don't tell them. Don't tell them. Oh, shit.
Let me see what it looks like.
Looking mad.
Oh, that's tight. That is tight. That'll work. That's gonna work.
That'll work.
Yeah, that's perfect.
Or the nuts.
Oh my gosh, they look so good. Off again. We gotta pull the engine out again so we can. Why do we have to pull the engine out again? Maybe we don't have to pull it out again.
You lost the fan.
No, it's here somewhere. What we're doing is we're looking for the fan. All right. That old school Hurst shifter. Okay, bring that fan over here. What we're doing is we're just kind of putting some parts on just to kind of get an idea what it's going to look like later. Yeah. Oh yeah, it's going to fit. That's going to be perfect.
Well, actually,
It's really close.
remember, the engine is like just a little bit up too.
Oh, it needs to be tilted down.
So, in reality, it's going to look a little...
Perfect. Good job. Dang, that looks good. That looks good. I can't wait to get the carburetor and the air cleaner. I want to find like a really old school air cleaner. Guys, check out this freaking engine that came out of Hank. It looks like it was in the ocean for 2 years. Isn't that crazy? This is a light, or a rear view mirror, and a light at the same time, spotlight. Yeah. All right, let's put the surf racks on them.
Cool. Got yours in?
It's like there. So do 3 finger lengths from the pillar.
3 finger lengths. Oh, okay. Like maybe 4 of my fingers, because your fingers are
Sausage fingers?
sausage fingers.
Yeah, let's get the boards. Put the boards on.
Which ones are we going to put on this,
Down.
on Duke?
Okay. Alright, hold on. Let's get the longboard.
What's the details on this board?
This is a 9.0 longboard, 9 feet tall. This is a beginner board.
Don't hit the Nomad. Dang.
Okay.
Gotta dust it off.
Yeah, we should. Well, let's get. Oh my! Watch where you're going.
Yeah.
God, dude, I'm gonna get so barreled out there.
You're gonna get shacked in the white water. Yeah, you're gonna hang 10, right? With these longboards.
Okay, so Duke came with these surfboards when I bought it. Do I know how to surf? Not really. So we purchased a couple boards, and Andrew and I are going to go surfing tomorrow. These vehicles, I think we're gonna take Cochina,
Cochina!
and then we're gonna load up in Duke.
Mm-hmm.
And we're gonna head up north. It's gonna be a pretty cool drive along the beach, and we're gonna go to a surf spot and see if we can catch some waves.
Boom.
All right, guys, it's the following morning, and we're gonna head out to the beach right now. We're just waiting on Andrew. He's 2 hours late today. You know, the good waves came in at 8. It is already 9 today. But what is that for?
So I can like maneuver around the car when I start it up right now.
Oh, the e-brake doesn't work?
Yeah, no, it doesn't work. So.
Oh, that's that's your e-brake.
It's still for sale though.
Still for sale, guys. All right, fire this hog up. Gen Z versus carburetor, part 2.
Alright, she's ready.
I definitely heard a flame under the hood, bro. Your beach towel might have got fire. I see some smoke.
Talking that.
This thing sounds like a boat horn.
Dude, I'm telling you, man, this thing is fucking...
All right, Tommy Bahama, let's go.
All right, load it up.
Let me fire up Duke. We're out here. We had a goal of learning how to surf this summer, and here we are. Got sunscreen on. Look like a couple donkeys walking down here. But we're gonna paddle out right here because there's no waves, and we're gonna avoid all those huge swells way over there, about 7 to 8 feet. And then we're gonna try to catch the wave of our life. And let's do it, man. We're recording. Dude, shut your door right. There you go.
Okay.
Beach in the background, that beach. Bro.
Cochino.
Okay.
Alright. Well, that's it for today, guys. We're done here surfing. I got a wave. He didn't get a wave. Not enough sauce for this thick dog.
You're doing great. Aside from that big old booger in your nose. He's got a big old booger hanging out of his nose. Yeah. Okay. Cut.
Just all done.
Alright.
What's up, guys? We're just about done here, packing up. Surfing was pretty solid for the first time. My second attempt, I got up on my first wave, so hell yeah, brother. This guy, well, not the best of luck, but I did, what do you call it?
Yeah, you dropped in on my wave. You took my wave, so that's my excuse. But it was pretty flat out there, as you can see. There's not much wave action, so not to make excuses, but we'll definitely be back because that was a lot of fun and very good workout actually.
I think I'm already sore. Already. But, so yeah, definitely. I give surfers a lot of respect now. You know, to just constantly do that for hours on hours. So that's cool. But so yeah, we're gonna head back to the shop, and if you guys want to keep looking at the video and the progress that we're gonna have on Hank, then do so. And
hopefully your car makes it back.
Oh, we're gonna make it back one way or another. The ticking went away, so it's up for sale for sure.
Still for sale.
Still for sale.
Ticks intermittently.
Just a tick-tock. But cool. Well, we'll see you guys later.
Bye.
Bye.